This unusual point would most likely be considered a residual outlier. It would not be influential because there's other data values near this point that have there's other data values that have the same x value as this point, but it has such a big y value compared to everything else, so we consider this to be residual. To find the least squared regression line equation, you need to type the data into your calculator into list 1 and list 2. So I take the time to type the data into L1 and L2. Now I want to run a linear regression on L1 and L2. And there's my equation. So we write our equation as the predicted value of men equals 24 plus 0.618 women. Be sure to define your variables x and y. For number 18, r squared is 62.9%. This is the amount of variation in length of marriage that can be explained by the LSRL of length of marriage on courtship. Okay, number 19 is talking about slope, and here's your slope. It's about negative 0.04. If the UV value increases by 1 unit, so if the explanatory variable UV increases by 1 unit, the yield should decrease by 0.0463 on average. Slope is rise over run. We're going to run 1 to the right, and we're going to rise down negative 0.04. Okay, last problem. We need to calculate the residual, and the formula for that is R equals O minus P. We have the observed value of 80. So we need to find the predicted height for a 20-month-old. To find the predicted height, we take 20 and plug it in for x. You should get about 77 and some change, which should give you a residual of about 2.7.